There it is. The finished product. Maybe. Who knows? I might add some other touches. There it is. Chopper. Put the chain on. Put the gas tank on, but it was like a little piece to a model car, the hood. But it's aluminum, so it's just melting when I try to put it on there. So I don't know, I might get something else. But just have to clean it up a little bit. As a seat, I used a breaker bar. I broke the same breaker bar that I used for my my shifter in my Honda. That's the little end piece. There it is. Little chopper. Oh, I got the pedals right there too. Got the little gas. See the gas or the clutch or whatever. The clutch right there. It's pretty sicky, bro. I like it. My first little motorcycle. Oh, bad, bro.